Hello guys, I'm Prashant and welcome to my new vlog. So friends, welcome to this new vlog and I'm using a sharp pencil. It's a sharp 8B pencil to start the eyes section mainly, and I'm starting with eyeballs which is very much important to match with the reference. And I'm also using some of my blending tools which are very necessary to use mainly for this kind of smooth texture or smooth skin as well. And I'm using 6B, 8B and 10B to make these two eyes. So keep watching till then, do not skip the video. Hope this tutorial is going to be a very informative one for the beginners. So start. As you can see, I'm just trying to making the dark areas. As per the reference, you have to continuously observe and follow the references, where the eyebrows will come out, where the darkness will go, and where the highlighted areas will show, we have to show. So these are the very much important points, and after every first layer you have to blend it very carefully with the blending tool. You can use tissue papers if you do not have any other things. The cotton buds which are very available at the market you can use. So these are the things you have to follow and continue observe the reference. Once you sketch any realistic portrait or any face, and after every layer blending is very much important. Again you have to put your dark areas, again blend it, again dark. So in this way you have to go mainly after second or third layer, that will be the final layer. After second layer, that will be the final layer. It means third layer you are not allowed to blend it much, so to just make it realistic. So this way you can go and try to leave those highlighted areas. Mainly I'm talking about I have left the white areas into the eyeballs. As per the reference, you have to follow the measurements of the white areas, and accordingly you have to leave those areas. So this way you can make a realistic eye. After that I will show you that I'm gonna also use the mechanical eraser, which is Tombow Mono, which is a very essential eraser to make this kind of highlights. And once you draw any realistic portrait mainly for the skin, obviously use kneadable eraser, as I always say to every beginner, mainly for the skin. So as you can see, in the same way or in the same process, I'm just making these eyes as well. Again I'm just blending. So this is how you can run your portrait work. These are the eyebrows. You have to take a very sharp pencil for that. I do not use mechanical pencil, or you may say I do not afford it. Actually I will buy, it's very necessary actually. But yeah, you can make realistic portrait even with such arrangements as well. As you can see, this is blending brush. With blending brush I'm trying to make a smooth texture, and this is Tombow Mono to just getting the highlights. And after that I'm gonna also use white gel pen, some of the areas, which is very much important. So in this way you can draw a realistic eye. Hope the video was very interesting. If you are new to this channel, do not forget to press the bell icon. So keep practicing, keep watching and support the channel. If you like, do not forget to share as well. Thank you.